Okay, this is our first time trying out the Tucktec folding kayaks. There are other vehicles around where we're at, but there's nobody here watching us put them together. I think they went together really well. I'm noticing that there's some straps here. They're supposed to be hooked and they're not staying hooked. So we'll see how that works. And we'll try and I'll try and shoot a little video while we're actually kayaking, and then a report at the end to see how well they did. But like I said, they seem to go together kind of okay. I think it's taken us about 7.5, 8 minutes thereabouts to put them together. Okay, in the folding kayak, fold up right up here against the rock in the creek. It's really hot out, 91 degrees. First time in the folding kayak. You can see my legs are pretty white because I haven't been out in the sun much, because there hasn't been much sun here in Montana. Yeah, beautiful creek. Folding kayaks holding up well. Seems to paddle through the water really easily. Definitely feel secure. Definitely very pretty outside. We can hear other people. This is a kind of a popular place. There's plenty of places in Montana where there wouldn't be anybody, but we've kayaked here before, and so we kind of knew what to expect for a trial run. It feels way nicer here in the shade than it did outside the shade, and yeah, I'll do another take in a little bit. Okay, a little wait further upstream. Basically got to the point to where I couldn't go any further because the rapids was too heavy. Really nice little rock area shades here. The water's trying to push me back around, but you can kind of see back that way. Just absolutely gorgeous, very serene. Got to the point where I can't hear anybody else. It's real nice here. And the folding kayak seems to be doing very well. Okay, back from the maiden voyage with the Tucktec up the stream, and it held up well. I really like it. I think it took about 8 minutes to put together. It'll probably take about that or less to put it up. I'm sure with practice it'll take even less than that. Carried it from the bank quite a ways, just because we could. It was really easy to do that. So yeah, I think I definitely like it. And the area here is really beautiful. Like I said, it's a little populated, but we'll pick a more remote area the next time. Talk to you later.